what you doing? Are you being busy, girl? Where are you going? Close the refrigerator, Cece. Cece, close the refrigerator. Do you know how to close the door? Close the refrigerator. You gonna close the door? Pull it towards you. Here we go. Close the refrigerator. There we go. All closed. All closed. You're a dirty girl. Now you can't get it open. Once it's closed, it won't open again. Once it's closed, it won't open again. You were a messy eater tonight. You were a messy eater tonight. What you doing? You got something cold? Hey. Have a seat on Mommy. Whoops.